Okay, so after drawing the Subaru aura farming meme, I decided to draw another aura farming meme from ReZero, and this time it is going to be the X guy. Yeah, he is not as popular as Subaru, but still. I first started with the head, and I accidentally draw the head a bit too large, and I didn't left enough space to draw the hairs, and also I need to squish all that together. Use the pen in order to draw the facial details, and try to use my regular thin marker, the fine marker, in order to do the facial detail, but then I realized that it's better to just use my regular marker for the hairs and all and the shadows, and use the simple pen in order to do the facial details such as eye and pupil and all. The pupil are something which I'm not rather good in this one, because I am not that bad when it comes to draw the pupils, but in this one I'm not that satisfied. Then I use my pen in order to draw the rest of the body, and somehow, because of the sheer aura of the X guy, I was able to nail the arm chest plate this time. Because if you know me, you know that I am not that very good when it comes to draw the mythical and the realistic armor and whatever, but somehow I managed to do that. Now, because I draw the head so large and I didn't have enough space in order to fit in the entirety of the body in the paper, I decided to draw it in a fisheye perspective, mid drawing. Yeah, it is not a good decision. I will not recommend it. If you have not planned it, then don't do it, but at this point it is already doomed, so why not to do some experimentation with it. Type shit. Anyway, then I draw the hand holding the X, and I will admit it, the hand does not look that great, and yes, I accidentally messed up with the camera angle and all, but still, when I was drawing the hand holding the X, I made it a lot smaller, because it is a lot behind and when seen with the camera, and the X was not that great as well, and I accidentally placed the camera in a way that I could not record it correctly. Then the second arm that is coming forward towards the watcher, the camera angle and all that, it is a lot larger, the correct way I want it to be, but I still need a lot of practice to draw hand anatomy correctly. But whatever. I use my marker in order to draw all the darker details, shadows and all, and using it in a tilted way was rather useful for me in order to do the most of the details. Then I draw the teeny tiny legs for the fisheye perspective, and this is how it came out to be. Yes, I could have used a bit more elbow grease for this one, but still, not disappointed, but not great either. Okay, so I was just scrolling through the internet, and then I saw Denji riding the shark devil in the Napoleon pose, and I have to draw this. So for this, the Denji is riding in the shark demon's entire shark form. So if you don't know, shark demons is one of the follower of the Chainsaw Man, and in his full demon form, he is basically a multi-eye land shark. Basically, if Jeff the Shark from Marvel Rivals and Marvel Comics was lore accurate, just like rest of his brother and sister, instead of being just a draw pet. Anyways, I started with the shark demon, just a shark with multiple eyes and legs, and then I draw the silhouette of Denji riding it. Then start adding the detail on both of them, starting with the eyes of the shark devil and the face, the head and the arm structure of Denji. Now I will agree, because of drawing all the flesh and all which Denji was wearing as a cape, I accidentally messed up the way it all should be and make it a lot more camouflaged, making it difficult to see the silhouette of Denji, but I tried my best, at least, please forgive me. Then I start doing the details on the shark devil, starting by coloring it up, because shark are lighter in tone from their belly area and a lot darker in dark blue type shit in the upper body. So yeah, but then I realized, because there is a lot of shadow work and all, I just have to darken it up anyway, so I just use my marker in order to draw the shadows and necessary stuff, do some details on Denji and his cape of flesh as well, and this is the way it came out to be. I just wish I could make Denji a little bit more better. Well, this is it for the video. If you like it, then make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, please hype the video and join the memberships if you want to support us, and I will see you next time.